3.
Prime and composite numbers. If you do not have the notes for prime and composite numbers, please stop the video. Go to the notes page, get the notes for prime and composite numbers first, and then come back to the video. If you have the notes, let's get started. Okay, here we're going to tell whether each number is prime or composite. A, we're going to start with 6. Okay, in order to tell whether this number is prime or composite, you must find all the factors of 6. Now, factors mean the numbers we multiply together. We're going to find all the numbers we can multiply together to get 6. I'm going to start with 1. What times 1, I'm going to ask myself, what times 1 will give me 6? Well, I know that any times 1 gives me that same number back. So it's got to be 6. So the first factors of 6 I found are 1 times 6. I checked 1, now I'm going to check 2. What times 2 will give me 6? 2, 4, 6. 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. I checked 1, I checked 2, now I'm going to check 3. 3 times what will give me 6? 3, 6. 3 times 2. Okay, notice our two factors here. We have 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. The only difference is our numbers are just switched around. If the only difference is that our numbers are switched around, that means our factors are repeating. When our factors start repeating, that means we have found all of our factors. We can stop. We really don't even need to write this one down because we already have it here. Our factors are repeating. We found all of our factors. The next step is to put our factors in order from least to greatest. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 6. Notice I didn't put these because we already have 3. We already have 2. We do not need to put it twice. I put my factors in order from least to greatest. Now I'm going to count my factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write a statement. 6 has 4 factors. Period. It is, okay, well let's define prime and composite. A prime number only has 2 factors, one in itself. A prime number will stop right here. One in itself, that's it. It won't have anything else under it. A composite number has more than 2 factors. So in this case, 6 is a composite number. Boom. Let's do B. Let's find the factors of 18. Okay, well, I'm sorry, let's tell whether 18 is prime or composite. To do this, I must find all the factors of 18. The factors of 18 are all the numbers that you multiply together to get 18. Because factors mean numbers you multiply together. So I'm always going to start with 1. That's what I do. What times 1? I'm going to ask myself, what times 1 gives me 18? 1 times 18. I checked 1. Now I'm going to check 2. What times 2 will give me 18? I'm going to say my 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I got 9. 2 times 9. I checked 1, I checked 2, now I'm going to check 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Wait, I passed it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I got it. 6. 3 times 6 will give me 18. I checked 1, I checked 2, I checked 3. Now I'm going to check 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Wait a minute, let me do that again. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I do not say 18 in my fourth. I'm going to erase that 3. This 4. That means 4 is not a factor. I cannot multiply 4 by a number and get 18. I checked 1, I checked 2, I checked 3, I checked 4. Now I'm going to check 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Nope, 5 is not a factor. I'm going to check 6. 6, 12, 18. 3, 6, 12, 18. Okay, now I'm noticing 3 times 6, 6 times 3, 3, 6, 3, 6. Guess what? 3 times 6 is the same as 6 times 3. My factors are repeating. I don't even need to write this one because that means I've found all of my factors. I've finished finding all of my factors. I'm going to put my factors in order from least to greatest. I'm going to start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Did you notice the pattern? It goes down, across, up. Here, it went down, across, and up. Let's go back over here. I put my factors in order from least to greatest. I'm going to count my factors now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 has 6 factors. It is, prime numbers only have 2 factors, 1 in itself. Prime numbers would stop here. 1 and 18, that's it. But this one has all of these. This one has all of these factors. 6 factors. That means this must be composite. Why don't you try C on your own? And I'm going to give you 7. Tell me if 7 is prime or composite. Okay, in order for you to work on this on your own, why don't you pause the video now so that you can give it a try on your own, and then when you're finished, come back to it. Okay, I'm going to find the factors of 7, which means I'm going to find all the numbers we can multiply together to get 7. I'm going to always start with 1. What times 1 will give me 7? 7. 1 times 7 gives me 7. Now I'm going to check 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nope, 2 is not a factor. I checked 1, I checked 2, now I'm going to check 3. 3, 6, 9. Nope, kicked over 7. 3 is not a factor. I checked 1, I checked 2, I checked 3. Now I'm going to check 4. 4, 8. Skipped over 7. 4 is not a factor. Now I'm going to check 5. 5, 10. 5 is not a factor. Now I'm going to check 6. 6, 12. 6 is not a factor. Now I'm going to check 7. 7. Okay, I said 7 one time. Well, look at here. 1 times 7, 7 times 1. This here means my factors are repeating. I have found all of my factors. I don't even need to write this one down. I'm actually going to erase this one. Now I'm going to count my factors. 1, 2. So 7, oh, I'm sorry. No, I'm going to put my factors in order from least to greatest. 1, 7. Now I'm going to count them. 1, 2. 7 has 2 factors. It is, what do you think? What did you have? Please tell me you had prime. because it is a prime number. That concludes our video. Thank you.